Hello, today I'm going to talk about blogs on Moodle from the perspective of a student. We can see blogs on the left side and on the right side. So let's start with the left. The first blog is QR code, that is quick response code. If you have a mobile device, you can take a picture of it or use some special application, scan it, and you can get some information about the course. The next block is people. So if you are interested in who just is enrolled on a course, click on participants. And you'll see a list of different people who enrolled on this course. You can search by first name, surname, and also you can use alphabetical order. Okay, let's get back. The second block is online users. It's quite useful because we can see who is online now. If you are maybe curious about some personal information about people, you may click on it and read their profile. Now you can see me, and other 3 people. So if we click on it, you may see some personal details which users have already provided. Okay, let's get back. The next block is activities. So you may hide it if you are not going to use it. The first one is external tools. Well, just click on, don't be afraid. You can't ruin it. And here we can see a topic, create video tutorials. So if we click on it, we can watch it. Okay, next one, forums. There are some general forums, there is description of every forum, help desk and general support, announcements, some learning forums, introductions, well, lots of. Well, group self-selections. Here we can see some groups that we have already formed, or maybe some people are still in the process. Okay, let's get back. Well, the next area is resources. Also, we can see a list of different resources, PDF file, teamwork policy. Just click on it and you'll get some information. And the last section are in this block, Zoom meetings. Here we can see some upcoming events, probably. Yeah, and maybe the last events. So Zoom is a special application to have some online meetings, webinars, etc. Well, the next block is completion progress. This is a kind of motivating tool to see where you are, your progress. So there are some things just to give information. feedback and reflection not completed. Well, again, just to see where you are and what you haven't done yet. Yeah, a kind of deadline expected, 30th December 2020. Well, and another motivation to level up. Okay, some rewards. So it's all about your progress. Okay, now let's get down to blocks on the right. The first one that we can see, latest announcements, or maybe latest news, just kind of reminders. For example, live event for week 4. If you have missed something, you can get to some older topics. Let's click on it and see what we have. Yeah, some discussion, recordings of live events. Yeah, let's get back. Okay, well, the next block is clock. It's a very useful block because we live in different time zones, and not to miss any important events, meetings, just check time of server and your time. So I'm from Russia, there is difference, of course. Well, the next block is upcoming events, are a kind of reminder. So here we can see week 5. Well, and the last area is badges. So badges that you have earned already. So it's a kind of motivation. Well, that's all. It's all quite easy and understandable. So just click on it, read information. Yeah. So, thank you. Bye.